Pagan Travel. Currently we are in Salto De Collores in Juana Diaz, Puerto Rico. Absolutely beautiful day today, and it's a beautiful, beautiful river slash waterfall that you can come and enjoy. This is becoming a pretty famous spot in Puerto Rico, and I want to share it with you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can never miss this amazing content. Well, here, let's check it out. So this is a really nice area. It's about 10 or 15 minutes away from Ponce. And what you can do is you can actually park here. There's actually some parking here, but be here early because it's very limited. $10 per car to park here. And you can rent some gazebos that they have here in the area. You can have them all day if you like to, up to 5 because they close at 5. So here are the gazebos that you can rent out. They have tables, chairs, pretty prepared. Right here, this is absolutely beautiful. Water's really cold, but it's going to be very refreshing because today's a really hot day, and people are enjoying this. This is amazing. Who would have thought? I've never been here before, and this is only around 20 minutes away. Well, not 20 minutes, 40 minutes away from where my parents live and we're currently staying. And it's beautiful. Just look at this. What a tropical paradise. Okay, so the water is cold, of course, but on a hot summer day like this, it becomes refreshing after you get used to it. Going in. It's cold. Very cool. If you have little ones, they can enjoy this amazing place as well. Or not. Alright guys, I'm gonna do it from here. I'm gonna jump, I think. Alright, so we had an absolutely great time here. Definitely recommend it. I really enjoyed this place, and I'm sure that you guys will enjoy it too. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you will be on top of all of my adventures here in Puerto Rico and elsewhere. We're actually leaving tonight. We're headed to Thailand, so yeah, make sure you continue following so you can see all of the amazing content and footage that we will be bringing you guys from Thailand. For now, thank you guys, take care.